Meet the Aromely X25, the perfect diffuser for homes, apartments, and offices of up to 1,000 square feet. Setting it up is quick and easy. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the Aromely X25 diffuser, a power adapter with its power cord, wall mount with its screws, and of course, the bottle with its nozzle. Choose your favorite Aromely essential oil. Unscrew the bottle cap, and fill it up. Secure back into the diffuser until it clicks in place. Important, don't ever mix oil with water. Connect the power adapter and it will automatically start misting in its default setting. Customize your experience. Adjust scent intensity and set a schedule using our Aromely app available on both Google Play and App Store for automatic fragrance control at your convenience. Now, you're ready to enjoy the art of scent.